educationist who works round the clock with determination, dedication, discipline, and devotion is none other than our chairman, Dr. Ashok Kumar Gadia ji. He says, education is the most powerful tool to bring desirable changes in our personality and also to bring positive changes in the society. It is the only medium which enables you to move from darkness to brightness. He strongly believes that there can be no better way to drive and to improve our nation's prosperity and social, economic well-being than through its education system. He believes the entire purpose of education is not to restrict itself to imparting bookish knowledge only, but inculcate humanitarian values like wisdom, compassion, courage, humanity, integrity, and reliability in a student. He says honesty is the first chapter in the book of wisdom, and that we should inculcate honesty and integrity in all what we do. So he makes sure at Mewar we impart education that is based on conscience, and we rear a breed of young minds that are bustling with self-confidence, motivation, and ever ready to take up challenges. He makes sure that we encourage students to learn about themselves and their constantly changing environment, while at the same time offering support and guidance as they practice decision-making and social skills. At Mewar, he makes sure that the teachers are trained not only to teach well, but are also expected to inspire confidence and trust in their students, and they become their role models. An efficient, organized, and approachable person who's always willing to help, possesses fast and effective secretarial skills, having strong administrative background with the knowledge of latest office management techniques, is none other than our General Secretary Sir, Shri Ashok Kumar Singhal ji. He has a strong belief that Mewar has successfully integrated its vision, values, and vitality in the distinct blend that has significantly enhanced its brand image. The Institute will continue to strive hand to march forward to become a leading institution. The trust of education at Mewar is not only to produce mere degree holders, but the bright young men and women equipped enough to foray into the world with an all-round development of the personality. He also believes that the challenges and opportunities are two sides of the same coin. With the opportunities comes challenges, and facing them is the route to all success. Our institute is no less with students filled with great talents. He believes that we develop significant relationships between students and teachers, as it is an essential means of educating, challenging, and serving to achieve greater success and scaling newer heights in our education. It is a matter of pride that our Mewar College is making constant progress in the academic and core curricular activities. The most dynamic personality, the director of Mewar Group of Institutions, Dr. Alka Agrawal, says, Mewar is not just an institute, but a family in which the management staff, students, parents, and alumni work united to foster this family spirit. The entire atmosphere of Mewar is permeated by this spirit, which promotes collaboration and cooperation, leading to a human family of peace and harmony. Our primary goal is to become one of the most prominent and excellent educational institute in the NCR. We are fortunate to have a talented, highly committed teaching and support staff here to ensure the learning environment of our students is the best it can be. Our students are the budding innovators, lawyers, managers, great entrepreneurs, and aspiring leaders, and are waiting to prove themselves at the first available opportunity. Our unique teaching and learning process, with a proper blend of theory and practice, crosses the boundaries of nations towards industry, readiness, and global excellence. Management Department has designed and enriched the curriculum framed by the academicians, professionals, corporate experts, keeping in view the present dynamic business environment. Team building, decision making, and analytical thinking are core component of our BBA and BCom programs. Our students participate in various fieldwork, live group projects, simulation, and case studies that develop interpersonal skills, communication skills among them, and help them to improve leadership skills. Public speaking, presentation, and seminars develop students to effectively communicate and deliver and present their views and corporate forums. Our alumni are making a major impact on their chosen professions, and they are finding innovative ways to redefine their industries. BCom is one of the most common programs at Mewar, which is sought after by the candidates as it provides the necessary skill sets for the students to pursue a career across multiple domains in the industry. This course covers aspects like accounting, economics, and banking, enabling the students to achieve a blend of skill sets necessary in the dynamic world. We ensure to enable the students to understand the basic area in business management. We encourage their understanding of the strategic perceptions of the fast-changing global scenario. We help them develop the ability to apply a multi-dimensional approach to overcome complex business problems. We also groom each and every student in their overall personality and improve their communication and oratory skills. The Department of Computer Science is time to time conducting various career-oriented workshops, guest lectures for the students on the latest advancement in the field of information technology as per the industry market scenario. Students are also sent for the on-site training in the end of every academic session to enhance their knowledge in the software development. The Department of Computer Science, under the effective guidance of the HOD and faculty, has produced qualitative professionals to meet today's industry demand. The students have been placed in various reputed national and multinational companies, that is TCS, IBM, Ericent, HCL, Wipro, Technocore Systems, IndiaMart, EthernCare, and Capgemini. The department's mission is twofold. First, to inculcate the fundamental knowledge and problem-solving aptitude skills in the students for a bright future, and second is to place them in the leading industries, organizations, etc. The objective of the Department of Law is to evolve and impart comprehensive and interdisciplinary legal education that is socially relevant. Through this education, we aim to promote legal and ethical values and foster the rule of law and the objectives enshrined in the Constitution of India. We conduct moot courts, seminars, guest lectures, presentations, assignments, and workshops. Furthermore, the Institute works towards the dissemination of legal knowledge and its role in the national development so that the ability to analyze and present the contemporary issues of public concern and their legal implications for the benefit of public is improved. We constantly arrange visits to Parliament, district jails, and villages for legal programs to promote legal awareness in the community and to achieve political, social, and economic justice. The department offers 3 years program leading to LLB degree, 5 years integrated course besides an executive program catering to the needs of working professionals. The Department of HSS carries a clear vision to provide good quality education to all the students with all possible efforts at low cost. The aim of the HSS department is to impart education in such a way that not only the students get academic knowledge but also serve the society by providing good advocates. The Department of Humanities and Social Science enjoys unique status in the institute. The department encourages the students for their overall development by conducting seminars, guest lectures, workshops, presentations, and assignments. All these have been made possible with the efforts of experienced faculty. Academic and co-curricular activities are regularly organized besides classroom teaching to enhance the overall development of our institute so that they can face the challenges of life. The Department of Applied Science BSc Maths group is one of the most popular degree courses among science students after class 12. The course aims at providing knowledge about disciplines of the mathematics, physics, and chemistry. It is a 3-year professional degree course pursued by aspirants willing to make career in the mathematical domain and related disciplines, etc. Robotics, nanotechnology, actuarial science, green chemistry, and many more. This course is a combination of depth knowledge of above said areas and other theories. This degree course helps students in building good foundation base for pursuing higher studies. Mewar Institute has continuously strived to inject new inputs through its highly competent faculty and the guest faculty, handpicked from amongst the leading and most successful corporate bodies of the country. Besides classroom teaching, different co-curricular activities like guest lectures, seminars, workshops are conducted time to time to enhance the overall development of the students and faculties. Department of Biotechnology was founded with the vision to impart academic excellence and to produce talented professionals to meet the trained manpower not only for the biotechnology domain but also for the upcoming industries. Masters in Biotechnology program is offered at the department as per syllabi unified by the CCS University Meerut. The institute takes special care to develop the knowledge and capabilities among the students to meet the challenges of today's society. They are armed with fundamental principles, habit of self-learning and the power that come through and systematic learning process. This interdisciplinary program also equips students with all the required skills, knowledge, and attitude to efficiently discharge their respective responsibilities in biotechnology and other allied sectors. The department presently carrying out a research on advanced interdisciplinary areas of biotechnology research and innovation, that is, nanobiotechnology, environmental biotechnology, biofuel production, etc. Since its inception in 2002, the department has been marching towards excellence in preparing professionally competent teachers. Presently, the department offers 2 years B.Ed program of CCS University, Meerut. The department is NAAC accredited since 2012 and it works round the clock to uphold the vision and mission of Mewar Institute of Management. At present, the Department of B.Ed is preparing its 16th batch of teachers with an intake of 200 pupil teachers per academic session. Pupil teachers use the Smart Class for gaining practical experience in teaching learning through use of latest technology. Since years, the department has nurtured alliance with the best schools in NCR region to provide exposure to pupil teachers during practice, teaching and school internship program. The B.Ed program of the department is totally distinctive. It is the perfect blend of theory and practice. The teacher prepared from Mewar Institute is high in ideals, moral values, scientific temperament, communication skills, and technical competence. A spectrum of curricular and core curricular activities is organized in the development to nurture the creative potential in every pupil teacher. Established in 2015, DLED, the BTC department, is running a semester-based, full-time 2-year course to train the primary teachers to cater the private and government organizations. DLED department is marching towards excellence. To achieve its objectives, department follows the strategy of converting an individual into perfect teachers by exposing appropriate academic and creativity crafted co-curricular activities to enhance the core abilities and skills of helping the students to become a useful and responsible citizen of India. Social and national values are inculcated through Jayanti celebrations of great personalities. Personality is groomed by the PTP classes. Each and every student is properly guided and counseled by the well-trained and skillful counselors. Bachelor of Library and Information Science courses educating the students in the philosophy of librarianship, basic principles, fundamental laws, and professional ethics. The Faculty of Library and Information Science programs educates students to become leaders in libraries, achieves and information centers. Our mission is to make our institute a better place for teaching and learning. It trains the students in skills of information and knowledge possessing. The students are trained by faculty member and visiting experts in the new technologies like digital libraries, content management, knowledge management, e-learning, web technology, etc., with practical knowledge to meet the current needs of information industry and libraries. The department arranges suitable placement facility for the students in various libraries and information centers. The Department of Personality Development and Soft Skills is working with a strong motive to mold the students into well-groomed and responsible citizens who can attain success swiftly. It is determined to transform the youngsters to adapt to different situations in life. It is also fully committed to realize this vision by providing PDP classes in each course. The department also emphasizes to inculcate required qualities in our students and prepare them to grow a diligent person who can use their intelligence to improvise the toughest terrain of life. The department also conducts effective and intensive training sessions on communication, presentation, team building, etiquette, group discussions, interview skills, mock interviews, soft skills, public speaking, accent training, dressing sense, leadership skills, behavior management, stress management, and professional ethics. All the students are imparted training in these domains to inculcate to them the qualities that would prepare them for their future. The department boasts of 2 equipped labs and a mirror room that improvises on the non-verbal communication of the students. The placement cell at Nevar plays a crucial role in locating job opportunities for the undergraduates and postgraduates passing out from our college. Providing 100% campus placement is the real motive of our esteemed college. nearly each and every alumni is holding a good position in different companies.